With Doubtnut, get instant video solutions to all your maths, physics, chemistry, and biology doubts. Just click the image of the question, crop the question, and get instant video solution. Download Doubtnut app today.
Hello everyone. So the question for today is that 7 different lectures are to be delivered in every 7 per day. So A, B and C are the 3 often lectures. So the number of ways in which routine of the day can be made such that A delivers his lectures before B and B delivers his lectures before C. So now we need to reserve slots for A, B, and C, where A delivers before B and B delivers before C. Therefore, the number of ways of selecting those slots is 7 out of 3, that is 7C3 equal to 35 ways in which these three A, B and C would deliver the lecture where A is before B and B is before C. So other 4 slots that are remaining that can be other lectures in any order, as no order have been specified for the other 4 slots, so number of arrangements can be made in 4 factorial. Therefore, total number of ways is 35 into 4 factorial, that is 840 ways. So we got that there are 840 ways for 7 lectures to schedule. Therefore, let us check from the above option. So option 4, that is none of these, is the correct answer.
For class 6 to 12, IIT JEE and NEET level. Trusted by more than 5 crore students. Download Doubtnut app today.